ka nagpa-undercut ka? Ha? Dito undercut? Dito ba din?
Dati pa po. Pero ako lang nagbibigis sa bahay.
Chill.
Be careful.
Good job, boys. So this is perfect for like skaters that have no filmer. If you have an iPhone, you can just like attach your iPhone and your tripod is your water bottle. That's cool, man.
Uminom din akong pepak warning. Nawala ubo ko. Yung tuloy silang kumain sa labas ng birthday ni Lori.
Yung mga nandun lang sa mall.
Gaya kapi ato nawad mo pa guys na kuin nga piran na rin kuan hindi tanto malak
Alright, so the GoPro died, but I'm gonna quick kind give you a tour here. Let's go check it out. Look at all the cool shoes. I also bought me a cool itchy and scratchy Simpsons shirt for 200 pesos, which is about $4, 3 something. That's pretty cool. Hell yeah, look at all that. And they're like about $10. $10 to $12 each pair of shoes. Kind of wild in here. Well, yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying the virtual tour of this place here in Manila.
Kasi bulong, kaya kirot. Parang yung tomboy ko kanina. Kaya sabi. Eh kasi nung nagsasabi siya, hindi sinisi nung super, nung ano niya, nung EM nila. Kaya nung sumunod na action niya, hindi na siya nagsabi kasi hindi na sinisi. Ano nga, palit na ulit yun natin Endang. Taon na taon sinara, namamalito lagi, wala yung mahirap ako. Pero parang bigyan nyo. Parang shell ginagamit niya. San Paquita Resort. San Paquita ba yun yung isa? Overlooking Laguna de Bay. Sa Villa Cristina maganda rin eh, di ba?
Rest up. Little Baguio Botanical Garden, KM90. Oh, they killed King Kong.
Si Bebet gumagapang. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga taas-taas, height set. Yung medyo meron. Oh, look, waterfall. Oh, you want to shower there? Wala. Hindi ganun nilalamig, gaya mo na.
Ano ito? Dala-dala.
Dito tayo sa region. Yan tayo.
We have driver.
Hey. Bolso Bolso. One of the beautiful shell views. This is a gas station view in the Philippines. Sick. And this is a shell. Just so you know, you can get little snacks over here. Corn and all that stuff. Right here. Shell.
Buy a car in Manila. Oy, driving.
Where you wanna go?
Hey, driver in Philippines.
Video mo.
Yeah.
That's why you're driving.
Bayad.
Bayad.
UV driver now. The UV driver.
Dito. Tingnan mo kung tindaran.
Pasig River Skate Park. Let's go. Woo. We know what the fuck it is. Oh my god. Man.
What is that?
There's a table and this is spicy chicken.
Okay lang. More chicken.
Bigay mo na yung plate. dito.
Let's go.